Just imagine this. A country that barely had modern roads 70 years ago is now creating technologies that feel straight out of science fiction. Jets that vanish mid-air, reactors hotter than the real sun, trains moving faster than aircraft, robots building entire highways without humans, and an AI system tracking people even if their faces are covered. This isn't ordinary progress. This is China leaping decades into the future, leaving the world stunned. In this video, we'll explore 8 revolutionary technologies that prove China is rewriting the rules of modern innovation. Stay until number 1. It will blow your mind. 70 years ago, China was dependent on foreign machines, technology, and knowledge just to survive. Most villages had no electricity, and industry struggled to modernize. Today, China is a global tech titan, leading in AI, robotics, renewable energy, military innovations, and infrastructure development. The transformation wasn't gradual. It exploded. Megacities appeared overnight, ultra-fast rail networks were laid, and billions poured into laboratories and megaprojects. From energy and transport to healthcare and defense, China is pushing the boundaries of what science and engineering can achieve. This video isn't about politics, it's about technology that rewrites the future. You'll see inventions that seem straight out of science fiction are already operational, could shift the global balance of power. Let's dive straight into number 8. Number 8. Invisibility technology. Invisibility is no longer just a superpower from movies. Chinese scientists have developed metamaterials capable of making objects, and even parts of the human body, disappear. At Jilin and Tsinghua universities, researchers created a hybrid material called chimera, manipulating electromagnetic waves in ways never achieved before. This material hides radar signatures, infrared reflections, and residual heat simultaneously. Using a grid of microscopic cylindrical lenses, objects effectively compress into strips so thin they become imperceptible. Military applications are already underway. China plans to equip advanced fighter jets and combat vehicles with this tech within months. Imagine a battlefield where stealth isn't camouflage, it's complete disappearance. This is the first glimpse of a world where invisibility could become a practical reality. Number 7. Artificial sun. China isn't just chasing clean energy, it's creating its own sun on Earth. The East reactor, or artificial sun, has reached 108 million degrees Celsius, 4 times hotter than the real sun's core, and kept it stable for over 18 minutes. Using magnetic confinement fusion, scientists heat hydrogen atoms until they fuse, releasing enormous energy, more than the reactor consumes, without pollution or greenhouse gases. Imagine a city powered by a single artificial sun, lights, hospitals, factories, and transport running non-stop, without fuel costs. 1 gram of fusion fuel equals the energy of 8 tons of coal. China's AI monitored superconducting magnets keep the plasma stable, making this a scientific and engineering marvel. Soon, artificial suns could power entire cities, and even orbiting space reactors could beam limitless energy to Earth. This is not science fiction. It's a revolution in energy, redefining how humanity will power the future. Number 6. Ultra-fast maglev train. Forget everything you know about trains. China is redefining speed with ultra-fast maglev technology. The TF-Light maglev train recently completed tests in a low-vacuum tube, reaching 1,000 kilometers per hour. That's fast enough to travel from Beijing to Shanghai in just 90 minutes, compared to over 6 hours with conventional trains. The secret? Magnetic levitation. The train floats above the tracks, eliminating friction, while 6 powerful electromagnetic fields propel it forward. Low-vacuum tubes almost completely remove air resistance, allowing unprecedented speed safely. During the 2024 tests, the train maintained perfect stability, safe braking, and precise control. Engineers envision a nationwide network connecting all megacities, transforming the way people commute, trade, and travel. Imagine crossing an entire country in less than 2 hours. What was once science fiction is now becoming reality. China's maglev technology is pushing the boundaries of physics and transportation like never before. Number 5. Autonomous robot construction fleet. China is transforming infrastructure with its fully autonomous robot construction fleet. These aren't simple machines, they are AI-driven robots capable of building entire highways without human intervention. Guided by satellites and advanced algorithms, rollers, pavers, and trucks work in perfect coordination to lay roads with surgical precision. In 2024, a fleet of just 10 autonomous vehicles completed a 158-kilometer stretch of the Beijing-Hong Kong highway, reducing work time by 20%, consuming 15% less fuel, and achieving precision no human team could match. Drones monitor every square meter, ensuring flawless execution. China has already applied this technology across 12 provinces, completing more than 15 large-scale projects. While the West debates automation, China is turning roads into a showcase of AI efficiency, faster, cleaner, and more precise than ever before. The future of construction is here, highways built by robots, redefining speed, safety, and infrastructure for the modern world. Number 4. Mega solar farms visible from space. China isn't just adopting renewable energy, it's dominating it on a massive scale. In the Kabuka Desert, China built a 420 kilometers solar Great Wall, so vast it's visible from space. This mega solar farm generates 5.4 gigawatts of energy, enough to power millions of homes, and by 2030, the project aims to reach 100 gigawatts, a figure that surpasses entire country's solar output. China isn't stopping on land. Floating solar farms in the open ocean rise and fall with the tides, resist typhoons and saltwater, and provide continuous energy generation. Engineers are also planning space-based solar panels that beam clean energy directly to Earth. With these innovations, China could generate 13 times more solar energy than all of Europe combined, securing global energy leadership while advancing clean, sustainable power for millions. From deserts to oceans to space, China's mega solar farms are a revolution in renewable energy, reshaping how the world harnesses the sun. Number 3. China's fully automated robot restaurants. China is revolutionizing the service industry with fully robotic restaurants. These aren't prototypes. Humanoid robots are serving, cooking, and managing operations better than humans in multiple sectors. Supermarkets use robots to restock shelves, hospitals employ nurse robots to administer medicines and monitor patients, and luxury hotels use robots for concierge services. Restaurants like Robot Hey, robots handle everything from kitchen prep to table service, operating 57 locations across 13 cities. Their efficiency reduces errors, increases profitability, and provides a seamless dining experience. Customers are amazed as robots serve meals with surgical precision, interact naturally, and never tire. This technology is not just replacing workers, it's creating a smarter, faster, and more reliable service model. China's fully automated restaurants show how AI and robotics are reshaping everyday life, proving that the future of dining, and service in general, is already here. Number 2. Intelligent exoskeleton. China has created one of the most life-changing medical technologies ever, an intelligent exoskeleton that literally dresses itself on people who can't walk. The Walk-On Suit F1 is a robotic exoskeleton that approaches the user automatically, aligns itself, and locks into place without any human assistance. No lifting. No straps. No external help. Once attached, its 12 high-precision motors replicate natural human movement, allowing people paralyzed from the waist down to stand, walk, turn, and even climb stairs. Built-in AI analyzes ground levels, obstacles, and balance in real time, keeping the user stable and safe. The suit recently won the gold medal at Cybathlon 2024, where the pilot walked at 3.2 kilometers per hour and completed tasks that were impossible before. For millions of disabled people, this isn't just technology, it's independence, dignity, and a second life. China's self-attaching exoskeleton proves that the future of mobility has already arrived. Number 1. China's nationwide AI surveillance network. China has built the world's most advanced AI-powered surveillance network, a system so massive and intelligent that it can track millions of people in real time. This isn't just cameras on poles, this is a nationwide digital brain watching every corner of the city. The network uses facial recognition, gait detection, vehicle tracking, drone feeds, and behavior analysis, all fused together into one unified AI command center. Even in crowds, even with masks, and even in low light, the system identifies individuals through micromovements, height patterns, and heat signatures. Algorithms instantly flag unusual activity, criminal behavior, traffic violations, or security threats within seconds. It's fast, accurate, and always online. Whether someone is walking, running, driving, or hiding in plain sight, the system sees everything. China's AI surveillance network isn't just powerful, it's redefining how nations monitor cities, enforce law, and maintain control. This technology doesn't sleep, doesn't blink, and never stops watching. From self-attaching exoskeletons to nationwide AI surveillance networks, China is moving faster than anyone expected. These technologies aren't experiments, they are already deployed, already working, and already changing lives. Every invention we covered, mobility suits, autonomous robotics, hyper-intelligent monitoring systems, all point toward one reality. China is building a future where machines, data, and AI merge into one seamless system. For the world, the message is clear. This is not science fiction anymore. This is real, operating at national scale, and evolving every single day. The race for global technological dominance has officially entered a new phase, and China is not slowing down. If this is what they've built today, imagine what they will build tomorrow. The future isn't coming. The future is already here.